Are you looking for the best fishing kayaks? Fishing kayaks are a growing segment that blends portability, stability, and craft-specific features like rod holders and mounting points with the rugged durability needed for varied water conditions. For anglers who want hands-on maneuverability without committing to a rigid hull, inflatable and recreational kayak options provide compelling value and transportability while still delivering reliable load capacity and storage.
Product number 1. Intex 68309 EP Excursion Pro K2. Overview. The Excursion Pro K2 is Intex's premium two-person inflatable with super tough PVC, a 3-ply laminate design, and 2 removable skegs for improved tracking. It includes 2 86-inch paddles, a high-output pump, adjustable bucket seats, and 2 detachable rod holders with a GoPro or mobile mount package, all within a 12.7 by 3.1 by 1.6 foot footprint and 400-pound weight capacity. The build emphasizes rigidity via high-pressure inflation and durability against abrasion and UV exposure, making it well-suited for lakes, slow rivers, and calm coastal waters. Notable design elements include stainless steel D-rings for securing dry bags and gear, and spring-loaded valves for faster inflation-deflation. The dual skeg setup offers versatility for varying water depths and flow conditions. Performance-wise, the Excursion Pro K2 benefits from higher pressure rigidity, which translates to more efficient paddling and steadier tracking, especially when loaded with gear or a passenger. The 2 removable rod holders add practical versatility for anglers who need quick access to rods, while the included GoPro or mobile mount supports hands-free filming or mounting electronics. In real-world use, expect good stability due to the wide 151-inch overall length, but keep in mind that inflatable hulls can feel less grippy on slick surfaces and require regular pressure checks to maintain stiffness. Setup is straightforward with spring-loaded valves. However, inflation to peak pressure may take time with the included pump, so a dedicated compressor can be advantageous for frequent use.
Product number 2. Seaflow Fishing Kayak. Size 12'3". Overview. The Seaflow model line is a dedicated fishing kayak with HDPE construction, multiple length options, and a host of rigging features. It emphasizes stability and payload for a single angler, featuring 4 submerged rod holders, front and rear storage hatches, a deluxe adjustable seat, and a steering handle that can control a rear rudder for directional control. The length options suggest a focus on tracking efficiency and space for gear, while the weight of 66 pounds indicates a solid, semi-rigid platform compared to inflatable options. Performance-wise, the Seaflow kayak is designed for long days on the water with steady tracking and a robust rigging package. The adjustable deluxe seat, multiple rod holders, and forward and rear storage enable organized gear management, while the lightweight impulse pedal drive, if included in some packages, can offer additional stability during forward-backward strokes. The main consideration is that as a rigid or semi-rigid craft, it may require more storage space and transport planning compared to inflatables, but it will likely deliver crisper handling, better glide, and less maintenance for puncture risk. This model is best for anglers who value on-water efficiency and gear capacity over ultralight travel convenience.
Product number 3. Intex 68307 EP Explorer K2 Inflatable Overview. The Explorer K2 is Intex's budget-friendly two-person inflatable, featuring 3-ply super strong PVC, an inflatable I-beam floor, removable skeg, and 2 86-inch paddles with adjustable seats and backrests. The package includes a high-output pump and a compact carry bag with a 123-inch length and 16.3 kilogram deflated weight. The design prioritizes simplicity, low cost, and portability, making it accessible for casual floaters and beginner anglers who want to dip their toes into kayak fishing without a large upfront investment. Performance-wise, the Explorer K2 delivers stable paddling with a low-profile deck and high-buoyancy side chambers that aid balance. The included detachable skeg helps maintain straight tracking, though the inflatable hull will naturally flex more than rigid designs, especially under load. Use cases lean towards calm lakes and mild rivers, where ease of transport and quick setup are paramount.
For weekend anglers who value a simple, family-friendly option with a generous 400-pound capacity, this model offers compelling value, albeit with some compromises on stiffness and edge control at higher speeds.
Product number 4. Intex 68303 EP Excursion Pro K1. Overview. The Excursion Pro K1 is the single-occupant counterpart to Intex's premium two-person option, built on the same super tough PVC platform. It uses a one-person seating arrangement with a 220-pound weight limit, a 120-inch long hull, and a compact footprint suitable for solo anglers who need mobility and stealth. The set includes one adjustable bucket seat and two 86-inch paddles, a GoPro/mobile mount, and a high-output pump. The 90-day warranty provides some assurance for first-time buyers seeking a personal fishing kayak with a smaller storage footprint. Performance-wise, the K1 excels in scenarios requiring maneuverability and personal overhead reach. Its narrower 120-inch length improves agility in tight coves and around structures, while the internal skeg continues to aid tracking. While payload is modest, it is sufficient for a solo angler plus light gear. The hull materials and inflation system mirror the Excursion Pro line, so expect similar durability and rigging options, but remember to manage weight carefully to preserve hull rigidity and glide efficiency. Product number 5. Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak Overview. The Challenger series is a versatile two-person inflatable option with a lower profile design intended for easy paddling in lakes and mild rivers. It shares Intex's super strong PVC construction with a 400-pound payload, inflatable seats with backrests, and a removable skeg plus a cargo storage net. The 138-inch length, 30-inch width, and 15-inch height yield good stability without excessive bulk, and the included paddles and pump keep setup straightforward. The cargo net and skeg add practical utility for fishing trips where light gear and quick access to equipment matter. Performance-wise, the Challenger's low-profile design helps with easy paddling and efficient forward motion, especially for casual anglers. The removable skeg provides directional stability, though the inflatable hull will still be less crisp than rigid models in choppy water. The two-person capacity and 400-pound limit make it suitable for lightweight fishing setups, camping trips, or casual day trips with a partner. It's a balanced option for budget-conscious anglers who don't mind a bit more setup time for inflation and deflation.